Midnight100, and today I'm going to be doing a DIY or a DIY. So basically this is a DIY, but we're going to see if it works or not. So first is how to make an eraser into Play-Doh. You put the erasers inside here, then you put water on them for 20 seconds or more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Let's see if it's mushy. Still bendable. So I guess this is a DIY. And thank you for my ideas. They are Emily Escobar Turbar, Ava Collado, Karen Mendoza, and Aiden Collado. Thank you for watching this video, and goodbye!